Thanks so much for helping me move today. But I don't know how we're gonna fit all of this stuff in your car.
Don't worry. I know a guy. Hi, I'm the guy from 2 Trucks and a Guy. And here we believe that the most important part of the moving process is the trucks. So let me ask you a question. Do you have any friends? No? Well, don't call us anyway. We don't want to hear your sad story. But if you do, go ahead, call your friends, and then call us, and we'll provide the trucks. So just give us a call, 1-800-I-GOT-2 trucks. Remember, 2 Trucks and a Guy, the movers that have 2 trucks.
Thanks, 2 Trucks and a Guy.
Just doing my job. Now, who's gonna give me a ride to get the second truck?
Actually, it looks like we fit everything into one truck.
One truck? It's called 2 Trucks and a Guy. I'll just do this myself. One truck.